Here's Teksta 360, the back-flipping robotic puppy. Here's how to make Teksta make some very funny noises. Teksta likes to talk, but he also likes to be cheeky and make some silly noises. To activate funny noise mode, press and hold the smiley face button on the top of his head until you hear it. Teksta is ready and listening for you. Talk to him or make a noise. Hi Teksta! And Teksta will make some very funny noises. When you finish making silly noises, pat Teksta on the head. Teksta 360, from character.